Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to restore the Classic WordPress Editor and regain access to the page builder. You have probably already seen the new WordPress editor, Gutenberg, which is very nice new editor, but this might be a problem with older content. Like here, if we check one of our pages, we see that it's very difficult to edit the page, although it appears as expected in front. On the back end, we can only see the shortcode, but there's no way to access the backend editor. To resolve this, we only have to go to plugins and install the Classic editor. This is fairly easy. Just add new and then install the Classic editor. You see that it has become very popular because a lot of people really need this plugin to continue work with their websites. So after activating the Classic editor, we can go back to the page and review, and at this point we can edit the page like we used before, using the backend editor. And of course we can always switch to the Classic mode. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.